Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You can begin attracting 3 average viewers immediately by prioritizing consistency over perfection. Once you pick one game or theme, schedule fixed days and a realistic duration, viewers arrive for habits. Make your stream watchable. 720p at 30 fps with 503, 500 kbps and clear audio is enough. While streaming, engage directly. Greet new viewers, narrate decisions, and ask simple questions. This creates repeatable entry points. Keep titles and tags specific so discovery starts working for you. Once you have a regular slot, focus on discoverability and retention. Promote the session 24 hours and again 1 hour before you go live on social platforms and a Discord if you have one. Make chat the center. Welcome each person within 10 seconds and use name-based responses. People stay when they feel seen. Add simple overlays and alerts for follows and raids to signal activity. Make sure to finish each session with a 30-second wrap-up that says when you'll be back. Viewers remember clear next steps. To lock in 3 average viewers, analyze what worked. Watch VODs and save highlights weekly, then post 1 compelling clip daily to attract viewers. Once done, network actively, raid 1 small creator at the end of each stream and message them afterward to build relationships. If growth stalls, run controlled tests. Change stream time, tweak titles, or try 1 new game for a week. Troubleshooting tip. If audio/video issues occur, restart OBS and test bitrate. Rerun a 1-minute stream locally before returning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.